Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Momomakeup here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the November Boxycharm. I'm also going to do a live demo at the end of this video and show you how to use the palette that's inside this box. So if you are interested to see what came in the box this month, then please keep on watching. Let's get into it. Okay, for anybody who does not know, Boxycharm is a monthly beauty subscription box. You pay $21 a month. It gets delivered right to your door with 4 to 5 full-size beauty products. We get skincare, makeup items, and beauty tools. So it's a really good box. If anybody's interested, I will leave my referral link down below. I do not get a commission off of that whatsoever, but I'm pretty sure I earn like Boxy points. I'll have to double check. I'll make sure I verify that information and leave that linked down below. The theme for the November box is called Gold Digger. It comes with the insert here with all of the products listed, the price, and a description. So I'm going to go through and show you guys what I got. I did want to mention that I got variation number 3 this month. The first item that came inside of my box this month is from Cover FX. These are glitter drops. They came in the shade Nova. This right here retails for $44 and it comes with 0.5 fluid ounces worth of product. When I open it up, this is what the component looks like. It's a nice glass container here with a little dropper. And I'm gonna open this up and show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, it's a beautiful gold pigment and it's very reflective. It's very beautiful. I really like the color. The next item is from a brand called Ace Beauty. This is their Grandos palette. It retails for $24.99 and you get 8 shades. It did come with the plastic overlay, but I took that out. This is what the palette looks like. And I'll do a couple of swatches for you guys. These are the matte shades. And let's do one shimmer here. I'm gonna do the shade Myrtle. So the palette swatches beautifully. It's actually what I'm wearing on my eyes right now, so I'm gonna show you which colors I use to create this look. The third item is from Luxy. This is a brand that we have seen before in Boxycharm. This is a 4-piece synthetic brush set. This retails for $21. They're very cute. Although they are full size, the brushes are very small, as you can see here. It comes with a mini round brush for smudging, a mini tapered brush for blending, a mini flat angled brush, and a mini angled. Okay, so one is mini flat angled and another one is just mini angled. So they feel pretty nice. They feel well made. They're a little bit stiff, but they are small and I feel like they're more for precision blending versus a bigger, fluffier brush that's more for like blending and fanning out. So I will try these out and let you guys know what I think in the description box below. The fourth item is from Jante Blue. This is another brand that we have seen a few times in Boxycharm. This is called Glittering Star Eyeliner. It retails for $5. I do believe this is just black. Yeah, long-lasting, intense black color. I'm going to do a little swatch on the back of my hand for you. So it does have a glittery effect. Let's see if I can zoom this so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. I don't know if you can see the glitter reflect, but I'm not a fan of this. I think they just kind of threw it in to make a complete box. I probably will not be using this at all. I'll probably give it to a friend. The final item is from Lashaholic Lashes. These are their Instaglam false lashes. They retail for $14.99 and they are what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. They feel very comfortable. They were easy to apply to my lash line, and you know, the box is a standard box. It has a magnetic closure. It's nothing special, but they're nice lashes for $15. And I can honestly say I love getting lashes in my Boxycharm. That way I don't have to go out and spend, you know, a fortune on lashes. So I do think that this was a really good box this month. For me personally, I liked all of the items that I got. I'm not thrilled about the eyeliner, but I'll live. The glitter drops are awesome. I'm going to show you guys how I created the look that's on my face right now. So if you would like to see that, then please keep watching this video. I'm going to start by using the shade Patchouli on a large blending brush. I'm going to pat that onto my crease and then blend it out using windshield wiper motions. Next, I'm going in with the shade Clove on a large blending brush, and I'm applying that clockwise and counterclockwise to add depth to my crease. Next, I'm going in with the shade Jasmine on a flat packer brush, and I'm spraying that with some setting spray, and I'm going to pack that onto my lid. Next, going in with the shade Primrose, also on a flat packer brush, and packing that over top of the shade Jasmine. I really didn't have much luck, guys, using the packer brush, so I ended up going in over top of it using my finger, and I had much better results. I wanted to add some dimension to my crease using this shade here called Cinnamon. I'm going to apply that using a round blending brush and just apply it to the outer corner of my lids. I'm going to go in now and apply these false lashes using my Ardell lash applicator tool. These were pretty easy to apply. Once the glue was tacky enough, I laid them down and had no trouble getting the band to adjust. Now I'm going in using the Cover FX glitter drops. I'm applying them directly to my finger, and then I'm going to pat them into my skin. I have found that the best way to apply like a liquid highlighter would be to use your finger. I feel like the warmth of your fingertip helps to blend it into the skin. Okay guys, here is my completed look. I hope that you enjoyed watching me create this eye look, and the glitter drops are awesome. I really enjoyed applying them, and I think they look so good on my cheeks, so I'm excited about that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell if you're interested. Also, leave a comment down below. Which variation did you get? Do you plan on signing up for Boxycharm? Let me know. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.